In front of me is OnePlus 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this OnePlus. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down right away. Now click on Password and Security. Then tap on Face section over here and set up screen lock or enter your current one. Now select Continue over here at the bottom and then keep your face in frame. Remember to follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now you need to select Done and adjust all of those face unlock options however you wish to by tapping on the switchers next to them. Then select Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!